wanted to show you a few data transfer aspects and how we can go about transferring an application data to cloud. And this is where this application, the link I wanted to show you is very, very useful out here. And I have the link open as part of the setup. That is, just wanted to kind of show you here. Now, this is a very useful information. That is that if an organization, like say, it is pondering on how we can move 1 terabyte of data, because there are a lot of services out there. There is the AWS Snowball. There is Azure Data Box. Should we use that? Because again, they are going to be expensive, or we're better off sending the data over the internet. So this is where I just wanted to show this calculator. That's something we have used to migrate a lot of the customers to a cloud. We have used this to calculate data center strategy and in turn help the customers reduce the costs as well. Because all these appliances that are there, or even the other setup, they are expensive. It's not free, but in the internet anyways, we have paid to the internet provider. So why not use the bandwidth that is available to us? So just to show you how this will be is that this is the data set. It is, we have it in 3 options, GB, TV. A lot of time in GB reader, we wouldn't even have this question of data transfer. It's assumed that you will be using the internet to transfer the data, like whatever commands, or you will just do a simple upload and you'll be good for there. The main question comes, especially when you have a terabyte and petabyte of data also, I guess it's probably given that you will mainly have to use an appliance. But in terabyte of data, should you use an appliance or should you use with the internet? So let me show you this. I'll choose terabyte. Now I have a bandwidth of 1 Gbps, and this is probably at a home, it'll be 1 Gbps. But at a corporate center, it will never be 1 Gbps, or it will rarely be 1 Gbps. It will most likely be 10 Gbps. So let me show you this. If I have to go here, I can put 10 Gbps and this is the bandwidth that's going to be there. And what it's saying me is that the transfer time for 1 terabyte is going to be 18 minutes. I'll be able to transfer 1 terabyte. This is from Google calculator. Is this accurate? This is not supposed to be accurate. It is supposed to provide you a benchmark and just to understand that, okay, these are the around about numbers that you can use for doing the calculation. Likewise, if I have to put it like, say, around 10 terabyte, I could do that, or I can change it to 12 terabyte. I will be happily able to transfer the data in 4 hours. Now, this assumes that you have a dedicated bandwidth only for your application. Again, in an enterprise account with many applications using the same network. So you most likely will not have to have this dedicated bandwidth allocated for your application, which is what I'll talk to you about in the next slides.